All right, we're looking at the unit review for Unit 0 in Math 1. Number 1 says, which of the following are functions? There can be more than one answer. So looking at the first one, our A, we got the points 3, 1, the point 4, 4, and the point negative 2, 4. Okay. They're asking you, is this the function? The answer is yes. And the reason is for every input, there's one output, or you could also say none of the x's repeat. So that is a function. That was A. For B, it gives us the points negative 2, 0, the points negative 2, 3, and the points 5, negative 2. This one is not a function. This is no. And the reason is I have a repeating x with different y's. The same input's giving me different output, so that is not a function. Okay. C, that's a sideways quadratic, and that fails the vertical line test. All right, so that is not a function. That is no. And D is got this linear equation. That is yes. That passes the vertical line test. So yes, that is a function. Okay. Number 2 says which one of those is exponential? Exponentials have x's in the power, so the answer is C. And that's f of x equals negative 8 to the x. Number 3, which is a linear, and that's when the x is to a power of 1, so that is A, and that is f of x equals 5x plus 3. Number 4 is asking us for the domains. Okay, so remember the domain is equal to the x values. Okay, so what I have to do is look at the points. So look at the dots on there, and there's some graph. There's a graph, right? It's got some points on it. Okay. And mine's not perfect to the thing, but I look at it. The first one is the coordinate point. It looks like negative 3, negative 2. This one here looks like the point 1, positive 2. And this one right here looks like 2, 1. And the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So I'm looking for one that has all the x values. The x values are negative 3, 1, 2, and 4. So it looks like the answer is A for that one. Okay. Looking at number 5, it gives me this function. And they want me to match which possibly one it could be. Well, you see here the x is up here in the power. Okay, so that tells me it's an exponential. So the answer has to be B. Remember, exponentials are smooth curves that are always increasing or decreasing. Looking at number 6. Okay. The function is f of x equals 2x minus 6, and they're asking you which one it is. So it's linear because there's no power up here, but there really is. There's a 1, right? But the power is to a power of 1, so it's linear. I would probably take A or C, okay? Since I don't have like where x is equal to 1 or 2 or 3, that's if I saw something like that, would tell me that this is discrete, and A is discrete. So this equation isn't really right as discrete, but it does have a positive slope. So this is a positive 2. So a lot of people want to pick that because it's increasing. Okay, C would work The slope goes the wrong way, but it's continuous. So A was discrete with the points. I would take either one right there.